Hello dear students, welcome to S4 Sharnya Science classes. We are going to discuss about the continuation of non-Mendelian inheritance. We have already discussed about incomplete dominance, right? Today we are going to discuss about codominance. Before going to the topic, I would like to request you all, if anybody remaining to subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and support me. So let's go to the topic, codominance. What do you mean by codominance? अभी तक हमने लर्न किया है इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस, राइट? नॉन मेंडेलियन इनहेरिटेंस है, तो उसमें इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस, दैट मीन्स द डोमिनेंट जीन इज एक्चुअली फेल टू एक्सप्रेस कंप्लीटली, दैट्स कॉल्ड इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस, राइट? कोडोमिनेंस, फ्रॉम द नेम इटसेल्फ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, हमारे मेंडल के हिसाब से देयर इज अ डोमिनेंट जीन एंड अ रिसेसिव जीन, राइट? सो इफ दैट डोमिनेंट जीन विल बी प्रेजेंट, allele will be present, that will express, right? So here what is the problem is that codominance, that means dominant genes, right? There are different dominant alleles if came together, right? Then both will express in a hybrid. That's called codominance. So we can say that it is the inheritance in which both the alleles of a gene, right? They will express in a hybrid. That means whether it is that not dominant, whatever it is, we can say that both the alleles will be expressed in that hybrid. Example, in human blood group, we already discussed that incomplete dominance. What is that actually? In that one alleles actually fail to express complete. The dominant allele fail to express complete. Here क्या हो रही है? दोनों allele, right? Express हो रही है. That means दोनों dominant allele express हो रही है. Simple example if you are taking that, we can see that human blood group. Human blood group, we can say that AB or type, right? What are the different blood group available? Here we have A blood group है, B blood group is there, right? And you can see that AB is also there and O is also there. So that's why we are name it as AB or blood grouping, right? Of human B, right? So here these blood groups are actually because of the presence of some particular antigen in our blood. ये antigen presence होती है RBC के ऊपर, right? So RBC, red blood cells, ये उसका plasma membrane के ऊपर you can see that some special type of sugar molecule, right, which is actually the antigens, right? Which type of antigen is present on that RBC, that will be determine that determine which type of blood we are having. If the blood is contain A antigen, then it is blood group A. If it is B, then blood group B. If both are present, that means if A and B type of antigens are present, then actually it is not A, that now according to Mendel इसमें से कोई सा भी एक dominant है, right? But इधर क्या हो रही है? दोनों group, right? दोनों dominant है and दोनों express भी होगा in a hybrid. It is a hybrid, so दोनों express हो रही है. So according to that, it is AB. So codominance हम बता सकते हैं इसका, right? If nothing, no antigen is not present, then it is O group. That's actually the simple principle, right? We will go in detail, then you will understand more. So here you can see that the ABO blood grouping, right? So these ABO blood groups, this actually the alleles are actually controlled by a gene I, right? And these alleles actually control the production of some special sugar polymers. That's actually the antigen which will be present on the RBC plasma membrane. RBC plasma membrane के ऊपर कुछ antigen that ना sugar polymers present है, वो है actually the antigen. We are naming it as antigen. उसका production control करती है ये gene I. ये gene I की actually there are 3 different types of alleles are there, right? So you can see that gene I normally 2 होती है. Here you can see that there are 3 different types of allele. Allele IA, allele IB and allele small I, right? In some books you can see that IO also, you can see that instead of small I, you can see that as IO also, you can see that. But we are, according to the NCERT, we are using small I. So these are the different alleles of this gene I. What type of alleles will be present? According to that, our blood group will be decided. ये allele I, A and IB are present. IA is there, it will also produce some type of sugar polymer. IB also will produce some type of sugar polymer which is somewhat different from IA. If small I allele is there, then there will be no production of sugar. That means antigen बिल्कुल भी produce नहीं होगा. IA है एक type की sugar, right? That means polymer will be there, एक type of antigen will be there. और IB है थोड़ा दूसरा variety of antigen will be there. If small I is there, then there will be no production of antigen. ये है हमारा फंडा, right? So here we are going to discuss that हाउ दैट प्रोडक्शन, कैसे उसका अकॉर्डिंगली द phenotype, दैट मीन्स हमारा ब्लड ग्रुप कैसे होती है, राइट. लुक एट हियर, आई विल ड्रॉ ए कॉलम, देन यू कैन easily अंडरस्टैंड, right. So here is my column I have already drawn. You can see that alleles from the parent one, that means we can say that father है, right. Alleles from parent two, that's mother, right. Genotype of offsprings कैसे होती है और उसके हिसाब से हमारा blood typing, that blood groups कैसे होती है. For example, from father if we are getting IA, right, allele, right, according to that IA allele मिल रही है. मदर से भी हमको IA allele ही मिल रही है, तो जीनोटाइप कैसे होगा, IA. ऑब्वियसली इधर एक ही टाइप की है तो दे आर डोमिनेंट द ब्लड ग्रुप, राइट. एंटीजन विल बी, जो शुगर एंटीजन जो प्रोड्यूस होगा वो ए टाइप की एंटीजन होगा, तो ऑब्वियसली हमारा फिनोटाइप, ये फिनोटाइप है, फिनोटाइप विल बी द ब्लड टाइप ए. इफ फ्रॉम द फादर वी आर गेटिंग IA, मदर से वी आर नॉट गेटिंग IA, वी आर गेटिंग IB, sorry, we are telling if recessive type we are taking I, कुछ भी नहीं मिल रही है, तो what will be the genotype here? You can see that this will be IA and I. Again, according to the dominance, this will be dominant, ये recessive है, तो आपका एंटीजन जो प्रोड्यूस होगा वो भी A है, right? So here also the blood grouping will be A. What will be the next possibility? Next possibility I will write with another color. You can see that IB, right? मदर से, फादर से IB और मदर से भी हमको IB मिला है, तो यू कैन सी दैट इट विल बी IB, द एंटीजन प्रोडक्शन विल बी B एंड द ब्लड ग्रुप फिनोटाइप विल बी B. और हियर IB मिला है, इधर से कुछ भी नहीं मिला, सो व्हाट विल बी द IB I एंड ऑब्वियसली डोमिनेंट टाइप विल एक्सप्रेस B, दिस विल ऑल्सो B. हियर ऑल्सो अनदर चांस इज देयर, ये उल्टा भी हो सकते हैं, राइट. फादर से I और मदर से IA, और फादर से I and mother से IB, but result will be the same, so I am not writing that. Clear? This is the two possibilities of A blood group. A blood group, this is homozygous है and this is heterozygous है. ये homozygous B and ये heterozygous B. If, right, father से कुछ भी नहीं मिला है, mother से भी कोई भी and that now alleles नहीं आ रही है, so if I, that means these I, 3I, small I आ रही है alleles, तो here you can see that genotype will be II. So there will be, हमने already बता दिया था, if E small I that ना allele present है, तो there will be no production of sugar, right? So here no production, nothing will be there, so this will be O blood group. So it is a recessive type O blood group. दोनों parents से हमको I मिला है, then only you will get this O. Otherwise there is no possibility. We already discussed that. Recessive हमेशा homozygous ही होती है. Heterozygous because I B के साथ present है तो B express होगा which is the dominant one. I A के साथ present है तो A express होगा which is the dominant one. Heterozygous, right? Recessive allele के साथ possibility नहीं है, right? So you can see that if I both parents से I small I allele मिल रही है, then only you will get the O blood group, right? Now what is the other possibility? If फादर से हमको IA मिला है और मदर से IB मिला है, तो क्या होगा, तो IA and IB, तो here दोनों एंटीजन प्रेजेंट होगा, राइट. दोनों एंटीजन, द शुगर विल बी RBC के ऊपर IA वाला एंटीजन भी होगा, B वाला एंटीजन भी होगा, देन द ब्लड ग्रुप फिनोटाइप विल बी AB. तो आप देख लो इधर, here both antigens are present, they are actually, it's actually A is dominant over B and B is dominant over A. So that's why they are both expressed in one that. Normally हमारे dominance के हिसाब से कोई सा भी एक dominant होना चाहिए. Here there are 3 alleles, इसमें से 2 dominant है, एक recessive है. So these both in a hybrid, both are expressing, both are dominant over other. So that's why it is known as co-dominance. The best example, human blood grouping. I hope you have a clear idea about that, right? तो दोनों hybrid में दोनों allele, which is the dominant one, एक साथ express कर रही है, so that you will get a that now hybrid result. That's actually A and B, then AB blood group you are getting. So that's why we are having A blood group, B blood group, O and AB. 4 different types of blood group. Human blood ABO blood grouping is the best example of codominance. I hope you have a clear idea.